Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the best books to enhance your personal growth and achieve your goals. Today, we have an incredible book to discuss, Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book is a game changer, providing practical strategies to transform your life through the power of small habits. So, let's dive into each chapter and uncover the secrets of building remarkable habits that lead to extraordinary results. Chapter 1: The Surprising Power of Atomic Habits. Imagine if you could achieve your goals effortlessly, making progress every single day without feeling overwhelmed. In this chapter, James Clear introduces us to the concept of atomic habits, the small changes that have a compounding effect on our lives. He explains how even a 1% improvement each day can lead to remarkable transformations in the long run. Clear emphasizes the importance of focusing on systems rather than goals, and he shows us how small, consistent actions can shape our identity and create lasting change. Chapter 2: How Your Habits Shape Your Identity, and Vice Versa. In this chapter, Clear delves deeper into the relationship between habits and identity. He reveals that our habits are not just something we do, but they reflect who we are. By understanding the power of our habits, we can consciously shape our identity. Clear introduces the concept of habit stacking, which involves adding new habits onto existing ones. He explains how small improvements in our daily routines can have a profound impact on our self-image, ultimately shaping our identity. Chapter 3: How to Build Better Habits in 4 Simple Steps. Building good habits may seem daunting, but in this chapter, Clear provides a clear roadmap for success. He introduces the 4-step habit loop: cue, craving, response, and reward. By understanding these steps, we can identify the triggers that prompt our habits and learn to replace bad ones with positive alternatives. Clear emphasizes the importance of making our habits attractive, easy, and satisfying, sharing practical strategies to increase the chances of successful habit formation. Chapter 4: The Man Who Didn't Look Right. In this captivating chapter, Clear shares a compelling story about a famous World War II pilot to illustrate the power of the environment in shaping our habits. He explains how our surroundings and the people we surround ourselves with can have a profound influence on our behavior. Clear introduces the concept of temptation bundling, where we pair a habit we want to develop with something we enjoy. By creating an environment that supports our desired habits, we increase our chances of success. Chapter 5: The Best Way to Start a New Habit. Starting a new habit can often be the hardest part. However, in this chapter, Clear reveals a powerful strategy, the 2-minute rule. He explains how breaking down habits into their smallest possible units makes them more manageable and increases the likelihood of follow-through. Clear shares inspiring examples and encourages us to focus on showing up consistently, even if it's just for 2 minutes. This approach lays the foundation for lasting change and paves the way for habit growth. Chapter 6: Motivation is Overrated. Environment Often Matters More. How many times have we relied on motivation only to find it fleeting? In this chapter, Clear challenges the conventional wisdom of relying solely on motivation. He explains how our environment plays a significant role in influencing our habits. Clear shares practical strategies to optimize our surroundings, such as habit stacking, habit tracking, and creating visual cues. By designing an environment that promotes positive habits and reduces friction, we can increase our chances of success. Chapter 7: The Secret to Self-Control. Self-control is a vital ingredient for habit formation, but it's often a limited resource. In this chapter, Clear introduces us to the concept of decision fatigue and explains how making too many choices throughout the day can deplete our willpower. He provides insightful strategies to conserve self-control, such as reducing decision-making by automating good habits and eliminating unnecessary choices. Clear also emphasizes the importance of prioritizing essential habits and creating a supportive environment that minimizes the need for constant decision-making. Chapter 8: How to Make a Habit Irresistible. Have you ever wondered why some habits are easier to stick to than others? In this chapter, Clear explores the concept of habit attractiveness. He explains how we can make habits more appealing by linking them to positive feelings and creating a sense of immediate gratification. Clear introduces the importance of using temptation bundling and designing a reward system that aligns with our long-term goals. By making our habits irresistible, we increase their stickiness and ensure consistent follow-through. Chapter 9: The Role of Family and Friends in Shaping Your Habits. Our social environment has a profound impact on our habits. In this chapter, Clear explores the influence of family and friends on our behavior. He highlights the power of social norms and how they shape our habits. Clear encourages us to surround ourselves with individuals who have the habits we aspire to develop. He also provides strategies to navigate social pressure and create a supportive community that reinforces positive behaviors. By harnessing the power of social influence, we can make habit change easier and more enjoyable. Chapter 10: How to Find and Fix the Causes of Your Bad Habits. Breaking bad habits is just as important as building good ones. In this chapter, Clear guides us through the process of identifying the root causes of our negative behaviors. He explains how habits are often the result of deeper underlying issues and shares strategies to diagnose the cues and cravings that trigger our bad habits. Clear emphasizes the importance of self-awareness and provides practical techniques to interrupt the habit loop and replace destructive behaviors with positive alternatives. Chapter 11: Walk Slowly, but Never Backward. In this inspiring chapter, Clear encourages us to adopt a growth mindset and embrace the concept of continuous improvement. He reminds us that progress is not always linear, and setbacks are inevitable. However, by focusing on the process rather than the outcome, we can maintain momentum and stay committed to our habits. Clear shares valuable strategies to overcome plateaus and stay motivated during challenging times. He emphasizes the importance of patience, persistence, and the belief that small, consistent steps lead to significant long-term transformations. Conclusion: Atomic Habits by James Clear is a must-read for anyone seeking to make positive changes in their lives. Throughout the book, Clear provides a wealth of practical strategies, backed by scientific research, to help us understand the power of habits and how they shape our identities and outcomes. By implementing the principles outlined in each chapter, we can gradually transform our lives, one atomic habit at a time. So, take action today and unlock the extraordinary results that lie within the power of your habits. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Atomic Habits by James Clear. If you found this summary valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more book summaries and personal growth content. Remember, it's the small habits that lead to monumental achievements. Now, go out there and start building your atomic habits. Until next time,